once we're done with our day, I'm just going to put myself on duty just to show you the prompts you will receive when you're ending your day. Click here with the man icon there, click log out. It's asking me if I want to drop these trailers in the shipment. You're able to do that by hitting the X. In this case, I'm going to keep it. Click save and continue. Again, it's asking me if I want to verify my day. You'll notice if I go down, it will show me everything that was done today. In this case, I will click verify all days at the bottom. Agree. Now it's prompting me if I want to go off duty when I log out or if I want to stay on duty. It's telling me at the top that I'm currently on. In this case, I will be going off duty, which is what I recommend. Click verify and log out. And that is it.